Yesterday was a fail. I give it to you guys. Ooh. Sometimes when I wake up for sorrow, do you think I don't want to just walk down to my living my kitchen, make my sahur, eat my sahur with you?
Subscribe like this.
Okay, bye. It's Ramadan day 13. Alhamdulillah, I've changed into my workout clothes. I've been doing indoor workouts since the beginning of Ramadan. Not every day. I told you that my goal is to just do it for 20 days, and I've been keeping it up. On days where I do not upload, it means that there's no power supply. But I've been exhausted. Like I said earlier, did I vlog yesterday? Did I vlog at all? There was no light in the morning. I didn't vlog. I didn't vlog for Sahur, but for iftar I was going to the bar. I was tired. As a postpartum mom, it's not easy combining all this. But one of the reasons why I do not want to give up on myself, and I still have that energy, is I feel like I might not even eat as much as I should eat if I don't fast. So there's no point. Why not just fast? Because at this point, my body's already used to it. It's been 13 days. Alhamdulillah. Let's film for my Instagram, because I've not posted in days. I told you that I've been exhausted. I'm just getting back my groove to start filming back on Instagram. We're not going to give up on ourselves. On days where we are tired, we will rest. A video is supposed to come on today, inshallah, on exhaustion that mothers can feel while fasting. Yeah, let's work out. I have 31 minutes until the end of Sahur. It's Ramadan day 13. The only reason why I feel a bit alive today is because I've been able to rest. I have not posted on Instagram for the past few days because I have genuinely been tired. Fasting is already hard on its own. Adding it to postpartum is another job. I want to work out now, and my madam is crying. It's time to feed the baby. I hope I still have a little bit of time. Can you hear that? That's happened in real time. I need to go do mommy duties, then come back to work out. It's not easy anymore. I've not made my sahur, and I'm still breastfeeding my baby, and I still want to work out for about 15 minutes. Let's see how we can accommodate that today. I'm going to fill this with sand today, inshallah. This is a project I need to do. Alhamdulillah, workout done. It's now time to go and make my sahur. Everything I am doing today, I am doing it in this room. Today I am having still same peanut butter. Let's show you guys quickly. I am having oatmeal topped with mangoes, apple, flaxseed and chia seed, cinnamon and peanut butter. That's a mouthful. Yeah, let me die. I have a few minutes to gulp this down my throat. This has been my go-to sahur since Ramadan started. This is really delish, and it's filling. I rarely feel like I need to eat or thirsty. Once I have this, I'm so surprised how people say they are not filled. Oh, bismillah. Make sure you scoop it with that peanut butter. Let it melt into your mouth. You would love it. This is one reason why I don't like overnight oats, because I sometimes like my oats hot. This has to be tagged my chaotic sahur as a postpartum mom. Lal?
Money, please. How does what I bring?
Here is what we have on our menu tonight. We have water, we have smoothie. I'm just going to take half of this, then I'm going to wash it down with this. This will be the last thing I'll take at night. It has pineapple. I don't know if you guys can hear me. The generator is on because there's no electricity distribution electricity distribution company. They've done what they know how to do. No power supply right now, so this is what I take last at night. It has pineapple, cucumber, and ginger. Did I just call ginger? And here is what I'm having for dinner. I'm having boiled plantain with some eggs. Bismillah. See guys, you can tell by my workout this morning that I really feel better. I think we need to name this Sohuru time, maybe Sohuru talk. Do you enjoy eating boiled plantain, or do you prefer it fried or grilled? Because my tiny glass of smoothie, because I'm mindful of the calories. I'm not doing so much because this is a lot. I have banana, avocado, cucumber. You see it, I have it in the video. I think I should. I don't know if I'll be putting that separately or I'm going to add it to this, but it tastes really nice. Just like I was just saying, guys, I am in a dilemma and I'm praying that Allah answers my prayer. Please put it in your prayers for me. I'm looking for my extra battery. This battery that I'm using right now, it just trips off at any point in time. When I got this camera, I got the battery that came with the camera, and I got an extra pair because I do not want to have to deal with my battery going off. I always hear YouTubers talking about, oh, my battery died on me. So it's easier for me to quickly switch it into the other one. But I don't know where it is currently. Let's round up the last vlog of the week. I don't think I've rounded the vlog up, but if you did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like. If you're enjoying the Ramadan series so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. I've just finished filming some short form videos. I didn't do so much today. Monday is usually a bit of a slow day for me, so I think that's just basically it. I'm just taking it easy on myself because it's currently Ramadan day 17. Yeah.